वेलकम टू लर्न शॉर्ट एंड टाइपिंग विद विकास सर। स्टूडेंट्स, आपकी हाई कोर्ट में वैकेंसी निकली हुई है सीनियर पर्सनल स्टेनोग्राफर की और पर्सनल असिस्टेंट की। जो आपको लीगल मैटर आपको देखने को मिलेगा, आपका 5 मिनट की जो डिक्टेशन होगी 550 वर्ड्स होंगे जी। और इसी के साथ हम शुरुआत करते हैं अपनी 100 की, और 100 से लेकर 120 तक की ही स्पीड जाएगी। इससे कम मतलब फ्लक्चुएशन हो सकती है, लेकिन कोशिश करेंगे 100 से लेकर 120 या 120 से नीचे रखेंगे। सो बी रेडी। 840 वर्ड्स आपके स्टार्ट। विद इफेक्ट फ्रॉम द डेट ऑफ टेकिंग पोजेशन ऑफ द साइट द अलॉटिंग और हिज हियर्स एंड सक्सेसर्स शैल बी liable to pay the taxes, fees and cesses payable in respect of the site and any building erected thereon, if the particulars furnished by the applicant in the prescribed application from the allotment of site are found incorrect or false subsequently, 12.5% of the site value shall be forfeited after the site is resumed by the board and the balance amount of site value refunded to the applicant. Rule 18 likewise speak about restrictions, conditions and limitations on sale of sites, and we refer to the same. Restrictions, conditions and limitation on sales of sites. 1. Notwithstanding anything contained in within bracket A these rules or any other rules by laws or orders governing the allotment, grant or sale of sites by the board for construction of building, or any instrument executed in respect of any site allotted, granted or sold by the board for construction of buildings, the chairman may, at the request of the allottee, grantee or purchaser of a site, execute and deed of conveyance subject to the restrictions, conditions and limitations specified. The conveyance by the chairman of the site in favor of an allottee, grantee or purchaser of a site shall be subject to the following restrictions, conditions of limitations, namely within bracket A, in the case of a site on which a building has not been constructed. 1. The purchaser shall construct a building on the site within such period as may be specified by the board as per plans, designs and conditions to be approved by the board, or in conformity with the provisions of the City of Bangalore Municipal Corporation Act 1949 and the bylaws made thereunder. 2. The purchaser shall not, without the approval of the board, construct on the site any building other than a building for the construction of which the site was allotted, granted or sold. 3. The purchaser shall not alienate the site within a period of 10 years from the date of allotment except by mortgage in favor of the Government of India, the Government of Mysore, the Life Insurance Corporation of India, or the Mysore Housing Board, or any corporation set up, owned or controlled by the state government or the central government to secure monies advanced by. In the case of a site on which a building has been constructed, the purchaser shall not alienate the site and the building constructed thereon within a period of 10 years from the date of allotment except within bracket A by mortgage in favor of the Government of India, the Government of Mysore, the Life Insurance Corporation of India, or the Mysore Housing Board, or any cooperative society approved by the board to secure monies advanced by such government or society for the construction of the building on the site or within bracket B with the previous approval of the board within bracket C in the event of purchaser committing breach of any of the conditions in clause within bracket 1A or clause within bracket B, the board may at any time after giving the purchaser reasonable notice resume the site free from all encumbrance. The purchaser may remove all things which he has attacked to the earth provided that he leaves the site into the contravention of the conditions specified in clauses within bracket A and within bracket B shall be null and void ab initio. स्टूडेंट्स ये आपके 560 वर्ड है, इसको आप टाइप करें, टाइप करने के बाद इसको आप मैच करें. थैंक यू.